everyone, welcome back to another video back on the job. So today we are concreting. Today's our concrete for our oversight. We're here today, we've got a couple of things to do. There should be help maybe within the next hour. So we're going to quickly put in these ventilation pipes, which I'll quickly show you while I'm doing that, and we're going to put our DPM down as well, and hopefully we get that done in time for the concrete. So we're just going to be wheelbarrowing this today. It's not that much concrete, it's not that far, so it saves us, you know, 400 pounds on a pump. So yeah, two of us should manage to do that today. I'll get the wellies in, I'll jump in, level it all out, tamp it down, and we should be good to go. All right guys, so here we are. So basically we are going to put in our extend our ventilation from here, and we're going to run it into the concrete, and then we're going to have a slight jump up there, and then we're going to go straight through into here. So we're going to have to do the same thing on this side. We've got another one over here. We'll jump it down with telescopic vent, and then we'll run the pipe across here, and we'll go up again and then through here. Oh, actually, flip it wrong. I was meant to use that straight onto that. Push that straight on. Take on that. Oh. I'll save this to the other side. That's all about that one. Push it. Push it? Yeah, push it. More? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hold that down there.
Right up and over?
Up and over that.
Okay. How far over?
As long as it's enough to do the block. So the tying,
First block on the, both block on just the first block?
Tying
Over that block, isn't it?
The down one will tie over it. So as long as it reach up at least to there.
That DPC tying over the plastic, not
yeah,
true?
when you hang it over, you're going to hang the rest over. So as long as that one reach to at least there.
Oh, so that's good then?
If you have more, we just take the whole thing and let it go over.
Yeah.
We'll cut it later. Yeah. Open it and see right now.
Which side you want to open? I go that way. That way. Plenty, just pull it back.
Pull it back. It's really pull back so because I pulled that much. Pull that side. Alright guys, so our guy is here. He came 10 minutes early, so we had enough time to get our duct pipes in, as you guys saw. We're stopping here. Later on we'll extend it across up to here because we're only concreting out to here for now. Everything's all done. One whole sheet fitted the whole thing, so we didn't have to do any joints, which is great. So yeah, and now I'm gonna start barring this in now. Let's see how we get on. Alright guys, so that was a nice, quick and easy one for us today. We're all done, you guys can see. I've gone in there again and I've tapped it all down. Not sure how much of the footage I got because, sorry, my battery did die. But basically, yeah, once I leveled it off roughly with my level, I've gone in and just tapped it all down. Made it as flat as possible. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect because this is going to get insulation over it and it's going to get screed. But it's pretty flat enough and level enough for what we need. So yeah, it ended up being 1.7 cubic meters. Just for anybody who wants to know, something like this cost, it was about 450 roughly all in for the concrete. And yeah, me and Namdi done it. It's about 2 hours, job done. That's it guys for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just a quick progress update on this one. So next will be onto the block work. So waiting for the blocks and stuff to come in, insulation, all that. We'll be using full fill cavity, 90mm cavity on this insulation on this one. So yeah, hopefully soon we can get block laying on this. But we are off guys, we've got other things to do, so we shall see you on the next video. Take care, thanks for watching.